Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how light pollution at night could be affecting climate change? Today, I'll shed some light on this illuminating topic. Light pollution, or the excessive and misdirected artificial light we produce, is a growing issue in cities around the world. But did you know it indirectly contributes to climate change? Let's break it down. First, energy consumption. All those bright lights on streets, buildings, and public spaces require a lot of electricity. In many places, this electricity comes from burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. This releases carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, which are the main drivers of climate change. To tackle this, we can improve lighting efficiency and use controls like motion sensors and timers. Reducing light pollution helps cut energy demand and lowers our carbon footprint. Next, the urban heat island effect. Cities are warmer than rural areas due to human activities, and artificial lighting adds to this heat. While the heat from lights is minor compared to other sources, it still contributes to the overall warming of urban areas. This makes cities even hotter during heat waves, leading to more energy use for cooling and increased greenhouse gas emissions. Reducing light pollution can help mitigate this effect and make cities more sustainable. Then, there are the ecological impacts. Artificial lighting disrupts wildlife, affecting nocturnal animals and migratory birds. It can interfere with their behaviors and even lead to higher mortality rates. Plants aren't spared either. Light pollution can mess with their growth cycles, affecting entire ecosystems. Healthy ecosystems are crucial for sequestering carbon and fighting climate change. So protecting them from light pollution is essential. Lastly, human health and behavior. Light pollution disrupts our sleep patterns, leading to health issues and reduced productivity. By becoming aware of light pollution, we can adopt more eco-friendly habits and support energy-saving policies. In conclusion, while light pollution isn't the main cause of climate change, it's linked to energy use, urban heat, and ecological health. Addressing it can lead to lower energy use, reduced emissions, and healthier ecosystems. So, let's dim those lights and brighten our future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.